How to log into TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log into TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now basically, if you want to log into TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the TikTok app, and you will see this type of interface. So just tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right hand side of the screen, and you will see a login pop-up. Now you can choose to log in separately by using your phone number or your email address and username, but if your TikTok account is also linked either with Google, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, you can also select those options here. Then just confirm the authentication process, and once you confirm your authentication process over there, you will be able to successfully log in to your TikTok account. This way you will be able to log into your TikTok account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.